All right, today we're gonna look at this RaLeno photography setup. So you can see here behind me, I've actually got the green screen set up on it, but it actually comes with a white background, a black background, and then it comes with this nice carry case, and then you have this reflector, which is both silver and gold on each side. And then also it's really neat because it comes with these 3 clamps where you can actually clamp on the backdrop rather than putting it through the slip that I have it on now. Now the cool thing is you also get this octagon overhead light, which I'll show you how that rigs up, and then you get 2 of these soft boxes. So you're gonna get this super soft light, as you can see even probably in this shot. And I'll show you how these are put together. So really simple. I'll come in here. These just basically fold out. These are big LED bulbs, and this just pushes together. So let me undo it. So it just pulls like that, folds up, goes into the nice carry case, and it comes in its own cases within the carry case, so you can put those together. Really easy to put together there. And then it has all this reflection to get the light real nice and even. And then you just put your soft cover over top of it. So that's really nice that they've included not 1 or 2, but 3 of these. So you get all of those, all 3 of those as well. And this is really simple. This is just a retractable stand. All these stands are retractable, lots of options. You can just turn this off, pop it up, just like a normal softbox light. Then you come over here to the big overhead light, and this is pretty neat. They've included this. It just screws into here, but it's a sandbag. So you can actually put sand in here. Real nice thick Velcro there. Just fill this up with sand or weights or whatnot to counterbalance this light. So you can see I don't have it extended all the way because I don't have any weight in here and I don't want it to trip over. And it's not a bad idea to get some sandbags for your light stands in general, just to make sure those don't topple over. Now to move to the backdrop, this thing is really simple. You can adjust it multiple different ways, multiple different heights. So even with the backdrop, if you need a nice flat backdrop with no curves or no seam at the bottom, you can actually bring this down and roll out your backdrop and set stuff on top of it. And these all 3 come with a hole here, so you can actually put this right directly on the pole, or you can clamp it with those clamps that they sent you. Everything's nice quality built. I've looked at some of their other stuff and have some other products. I'm really happy with it. So if you're in the market, if you're a photographer, if you're a videographer, a live streamer, you're looking for a green screen setup with everything you need, 3-point lighting, then this is gonna be the kit for you.